Today I'm going to be turning this shark boy with his turny head into some kind of shoulder dragon. But hello? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm in. Well, that was weird. I guess I need to find my D20. Yeah. Oh, that was Bill making stuff. I think. If you guys don't know what Big Bot Bash is, it's an awesome creative challenge done by Billmakingstuff. The idea is you get like a sheet from his website and you roll a whole bunch of numbers on a D20, and that corresponds to, you know, head, arms, hands, body, legs, and flavor. And you make a bot. I mean, I do already have a lot on my plate. I think I promised you guys some Trench Crusade stuff, and I haven't delivered, so maybe I won't do Big Bot Bash this year. You know, because I just don't. Oh. Hello? Combine. Ah, yeah. How is this working? The phone's not plugged. Hello? ¿Por qué no es dos, I guess? How did I miss legs? Give me a second. Spider. I've been saving this particular container for Big Bot Bash for a while. I want to do like a haunted organ as the primary part of the bot, of the creature. I wonder if I can get the inner part of this out without too much fuss, because then I can put this on the outside as well, and then it'll just be this big honking creep of a thing. That would be so cool. Got a pilot. This is not the best scale, but it is the scale I have. I'm not sure on legs yet, because I don't really want to use these because they're not exactly spidery, and neither are these. But, you know, it's not really a rule, it's more of a guideline. Yeah. Oh, and I got cannons. Cannons for arms. Cannons. Ooh, cannons. If you guys know what this is, what this model kit is, let me know in the comments below, because I've got no idea. By the time I read your comments, I'll have destroyed it. Even if it's worth money. Because I'm an asshole. Also in the mail today, I got some jewelry crucifixes. And I'm going to use them on this model. A guy fighting for one of the factions of Trench Crusade. And I reckon some of these will be amazing, but not this one because it's garbage. You know what time it is, kids. It's time lapse time. Alright, this is where I'm up to. I had to bugger off because my camera started to die. And I hate it. Well, I don't hate it, but I think these parts here, which are awesome parts, are kind of wasted. It just looks like he's backwardly hugging something. Like, it's mine. And I have no idea how I'm going to do, like, the legs, so... yeah... Still trying to figure that out. I think I might cut a fair amount of the drill caddy away. And then figure out his arms. I'm probably going to take these cogs off as well because they're not right. I just need to stop for the night, I think. I'm just second guessing everything I do. Sleep didn't help. I hate it. But, you know, it is the Big Bot Bash. I love free piles on an op-shop table. I think this engine will be perfect to sort out what's going on with my Big Bot Bash. guy standing on his own. He does not have spider legs. But he's so close to done. And I'm so close to done. And my battery's so close to done. Big Bud Bad!